thunderstorm warning for northwestern White County in southeastern Illinois, Wayne County in south-central Illinois, eastern Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, northern Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Xenia to near Blueford to near Rend Lake area, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fairfield, Albion, Rend Lake area, Wayne City, West Salem, Blueford, Shinn, Ina, Dahlgren, Bonnie, Jeffersonville, Belle Rive, Sims, Nasson, Mill Shoals, Springerton, Mount Erie, Keens, and Johnsonville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 81 and 91. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 79 and 124. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Hamilton and White,